We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive overview of the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag Travel Organizer. This toiletry bag is designed with travelers in mind, offering generous size and thoughtful organization to meet various travel needs. Measuring 12.6 by 9.1 by 4.3 inches when rolled and expanding to 12.6 by 33.5 inches when fully open, it provides ample space for toiletries, cosmetics, and accessories. The bag features 4 separate compartments with zippers and an additional back open pocket, allowing for excellent organization and easy access to items. Its inner main pockets include elastic straps specifically designed to hold bottles upright, which is a significant advantage for preventing spills during travel. The double zipper compartment allows users to access contents without fully opening the bag, adding convenience and efficiency. The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag also includes a stowaway, 360-degree swivel non-slip metal hook that provides versatile hanging options. This hook can be tucked away when not in use, ensuring it does not interfere with packing. The carry handle doubles as a hanging strap, enhancing portability and ease of use. Made from water-resistant polyester with a peach skin texture, the bag is both durable and supple to the touch. It is well padded to maintain its shape and protect the contents inside. The sturdy stitching and heavy-duty material contribute to its longevity and reliability, making it suitable for extended travel, gym use, and outdoor activities. Users have praised the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag for its size, durability, and smart design. Many reviews highlight how the bag holds a wide variety of items, from full-size bottles to makeup and even jewelry and curling irons. The compartments and elastic holders keep everything organized and upright, which helps prevent leaks and spills. The double zipper design is frequently mentioned as a standout feature, allowing quick access to items without the need to unpack the entire bag. The hanging hook is appreciated for its flexibility, enabling the bag to be hung in bathrooms or other convenient spots, saving counter space and improving accessibility. Several reviewers have noted the bag's ability to retain its structural integrity even when fully packed. The zippers remain smooth and functional over time, and the bag does not lose its shape. Its water-resistant properties and padded design provide protection against moisture and damage. The bag's lightweight nature makes it easy to carry, and it folds compactly for storage when not in use. The aesthetic appeal is also a positive point, with users appreciating the color options and the bag's clean, modern look. One user mentioned the soft pink color as a favorite, while others chose colors like teal and black. The bag's design is not only practical, but also visually appealing, which adds to the overall satisfaction. Customer service has been noted as responsive and helpful, with quick replies to inquiries and support in choosing the right size for travel needs. The price point is considered reasonable given the quality and features offered, making it a good value for travelers seeking a reliable toiletry organizer. Some minor critiques include the elastic bands inside the compartments, which some users find less useful depending on their packing style. However, this does not detract significantly from the overall positive experience. In summary, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag Travel Organizer is highly recommended for travelers who want a spacious, well-organized, and durable toiletry bag. Its thoughtful design features, such as the upright bottle holders, double zipper compartments, and versatile hanging hook, make it a standout product in its category. Whether for international trips, camping, gym use, or everyday organization, this bag meets a wide range of needs with style and functionality. If you own this bag, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.